Sei straniero, la cittadinanza non puoi averla ed è tutta colpa di tuo fratello. Ebbene sì, perché sempre più spesso il ministero sta rigettando domande di cittadinanza italiana perché qualche parente del richiedente ha commesso dei reati. Non deve essere nemmeno un reato grave. Pensa che basta aver rubato una bicicletta. Quello che conta è la convivenza con la persona che è stata condannata. Facciamo un esempio. Se tu hai chiesto la cittadinanza italiana e tuo fratello, che vive con te, è stato condannato per spaccio di stupefacenti, tu quella cittadinanza molto probabilmente non la vedrai mai. E questo perché lo Stato pensa che tu possa letteralmente vivere, mangiare, pagare l'affitto con i soldi che lui ha avuto dallo spaccio. E quindi ci si può chiedere cosa fare in questi casi. Ci sono degli escamotage o comunque dei modi di risolvere la faccenda. Ad esempio, se non hai ancora fatto la richiesta di cittadinanza, ti consiglio di far fare la riabilitazione a tuo fratello, tua moglie, tuo marito, tuo padre, chiunque sia convivente con te e abbia preso una condanna. Un'alternativa può essere interrompere la convivenza, fondamentalmente non vivere più insieme, così puoi dimostrare allo Stato che vivi solo grazie ai frutti del tuo lavoro. Se invece la domanda di cittadinanza l'hai già fatta, allora stai molto attento e guarda sempre lo stato della tua pratica, perché se il Ministero ti dovesse dire c'è un preavviso di rigetto, avrai di tempo solamente 10 giorni per dimostrargli che hai ragione tu e che la cittadinanza devi averla, dimostrando allo Stato che non sei responsabile per i reati che ha commesso un'altra persona. Quindi se hai problemi del genere, se hai bisogno di una risposta a 10 bis, oppure se un tuo parente ha bisogno della riabilitazione, contattaci, sapremo come aiutarti al meglio. E mi raccomando, pratichiamo legge! Che poi alla fine negare così la cittadinanza è come dire a un bambino che non può avere la calza perché il fratellino ha fatto il cattivo.
Now, that video when I just watched finish, now the explanation where that avocado, that lawyer, so take the advice foreigners, okay? Because they don't show say the major reason, they talk about the major reason where they reject citizenship now. They still give you advice. So I will explain the one I remember. Home and novels. I know some people go listen to the video, they go the record. Me, I don't listen, so I go need to cram out from my head. Come they try to explain. So if you say I omit one or two parts, you don't say I don't remember. So you feel like that for the comment section, okay? So now they talk about the issues where they happen now and the major reason why they reject citizenship. So he talks say if in any form, in any way, any time, and they can't reject citizenship, now the fault of your brother. So he say now Italy though they reject a lot of citizenship because of say anybody where they live with you commit one crime or the other. And they say this crime where they talk about so not be it not be big crime. He say only to just steal bicycle alone is enough for them to reject your citizenship. Normally they suppose hold everybody crime to them, but now the government the fee say that's money where that person, for instance, now say they don't in one way or the other arrest, say your brother or the person where they live with you, where they live with you for the same house, don't get one, maybe medicine, they don't catch her for medicine, they don't catch her for one issue or the other. So they go assume say that money where that boy they make for that medicine, so that girl they make for that medicine, so or the man, the woman they make for that medicine. So you are in the share, and not until they eat, not until they pay house, not until they do everything. So automatically you don't participate for the crime of that person. So he said the other way to do one now to resolve this whole issue, make sure say if you want to apply for citizenship, make sure say nobody for that your family so don't get any crime, any record of crime. You understand? Even if say they work out freely, if you be say it all day, you understand, it all day their system. So now how you go fit it no say this person no get any crime, because at the end it talks say the person will share this video. Why say that one to say make the advice say what you need to do be say if you want go request for citizenship, you do your own crime record, make every member of that family to do their crime record so that you go know whether any of them get, and if they get now two way. He said that you go first make them go to do rehabilitation, or you go stop, you go stop to live with them. That means if they get the same residence with you, cancel them, cut them, share them, come out anyhow. So far, may not show for system say una two they live together. Now, how you go fit to get the crime record of you? You feel you go court, go ask. Now, when I want to do my 10 years document, see this paper for you. So now two, when I want to do my 10 years document, they will still tell you to make go request for. You get the one that they call wait, make I look at what they call them again. Casellario giudiziale. This one number one. Then the other one, they call them certificato di carichi dipendenti. Now, if you see my own, so as I request and finish, it show nulla, which is nothing. They don't find anything. Now, the second one, make I show now. It show non risulta carichi dipendenti. Non risulta carichi dipendenti. You see, so they don't find anything. If you go, I think you buy Macadabolo of 16 euro 2, which is how much? 32 euro, right? You buy at 2, you go, you fill the form, you go submit on that day, then they will tell you when you will come back, go check them. So those periods they give you, so now to cross check your crime record, anything what you don't do, to cross check whether you get anything for grant. Then when you go take them, it will show if you get, they go write, and if you don't get, they will still write this nulla and no the other one I showed now before, okay? then you know say you dey free, you can go and apply for your 10 years or your citizenship. If you know say you get, why did they advise to do this paper first? If you know say you get, you try to fair resolve and first before you go apply for your 10 years or your citizenship, because if not, it will stop the process. It will make you, like that man talk, that avocado talk, it will make you say you not go even smell citizenship for all your life when you stay this country. Never, you don't go smell her. So is that you go fair go try, go resolve it. Now you get her. If any member of the family get her, make the resolve her, rehabilitation, they all una separate, so they live together. Anything where it shows so that they live together, you separate to live together so that they go hold on to your crime and hold you to your own crime. If you don't get, you apply peacefully and they will give you peacefully. Like you talk, nothing like big crime or small crime or any small one. When it comes to foreigner, any small one you do like this, you follow control a quarrel, so also, and police come, they can't record and do anything. Go check. You never can tell. You understand? So guys, I just wanted to share this video so we will avoid any story that touch at the end. You know me say. And secondly, before I forget, another one. The man talk say, then if I talk say you don't quick you apply before you get this message now, try and make you monitor the state of that application when you do, because you get just 10 days. If na citizenship, you get just 10 days to contest that judicio, that judge. Okay, sorry, that's the thing where judge puts. You get just 10 days to contest them. So the moment they check them all the time, the moment you come out, so that you go try to go show, say you and this person, you know participate, you know get hard, nothing, so that if you pass that 10 days, you know go fit do anything again. You understand? So thank you very much. Like, share, and comment. Please share this video so that others will also see it. And for those of you that be supporting, I love you so much. Thank you. God bless you.